Hi friends, and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a perfect snacks, which is chicken spread and commonly known as chicken pate. And to do that, let's go and start it. And to prepare this chicken pate, let's take first oil in a pan. In here I'm going to put 1 bay leaf, 4 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. Roast this for 30 seconds. Add 6 to 8 garlic cloves and 2 small sliced onions. Now let's saute this. I'm going to add 1 inch of ginger. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. So here I've got 400 grams of chicken breast. I've already cut into cubes and I've marinated with the salt as well. I've seasoned it. Now I'm going to add it over here. I'm going to add a little bit of crushed pepper. So I've crushed about half teaspoon of pepper. Now I'm going to mix this all well. Now let's cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. I'm going to add a little bit of coriander stems now. There are many versions of making this pate, many recipes, but this is my kind of a version that I'm trying to do. If you're trying to make it for the kids, which is very good for their lunchbox and all, I would suggest not to use a lot of chili flakes or not to use at all. Now I'm going to add half cup of water. It get cooked for another 15 to 20 minutes. So our chicken is completely cooked now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the bay leaf, the cinnamon stick and the cloves that I see. So at time when I want to grind them, this is not going to be found inside. Let's set this to cool down. So our meat is already cooled down now. So I'm going to move this into a mixer jar. So before blending, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to blend it to a smooth paste. So this is how it's going to be once it's been grounded. Our chicken pate is ready now. So friends, our chicken pate is ready now. If you have liked my recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.